Hello everyone! Before we end our video, let us have a little bit of a mind exercise. Welcome to my 7 math brain teasers. The goal here is to solve each of the 7 brain teasers within 15 seconds. Since this is a YouTube video, if you want more time, you can pause the video. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go! Number 1. Move exactly one matchstick to make this equation correct. 15 seconds timer starts now! Time's up! The answer is, in order to get 2, remove the vertical stick in the addition to make it subtraction. Then, put the stick in the number 5 to make 6. So, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Good job, my dear player! Now, on to the next round. Number 2. This particular math problem has gone viral because of PEMDAS, and it confuses a lot of people. This one is pretty tricky, but I have faith in you, my dear player. Timer starts now! Time's up! The answer is, follow the PEMDAS rule. First, solve the equation inside the parentheses. 1 plus 2 is 3. Next, multiply the 3 to 2, which will give us 6. Then 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. The answer will be 1. Now that is surely a tricky question that even I got confused. Anyway, stupendous work, dear player. Now we move on to the next. Number 3. I have here a diagram with numbers in it. Can you solve this problem? Let's find out in 15 seconds, starting now! Time's up! The answer here is 10 because we have a pattern here. To put it simply, addition of numbers. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. And 21 plus 7 is 28. Nicely done! In the next round, it will be a slight similar to this, but you'll see it for yourself. On to the next round. Number 4. Here, I have another diagram with numbers in it. I'll give you a hint. You will add the numbers like the last one. Timer starts now! Time's up! The answer here is 7. If you look at the numbers inside the triangle, you will add them up and the opposite side of it will be equal to the first one. Example, 4 plus 3 plus 3 will give us 10. The opposite side of it, which is 6 plus 1 plus 3, will also give us 10. So, 9 plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 15. And the opposite side of it is 6 plus 2 plus 7 will also give us 15. Oh boy! This one is confusing much. I admire you for solving this one. Now, we move on to the next. Number 5. Can you make the following equation correct without changing it? Timer starts now! Time's up! The answer here is, you will have to rotate the picture. 8 remains unchanged, while 91 changed into 16. Pretty cool, right? Back then, I was amazed as well that it turned out like this. Now we go on to the next round. Number 6. We have a riddle here that says, how do you make the number 7 even without addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? Timer starts now! Time's up! The answer is, remove the letter S in 7 to get the word even. Now if you ask me, it is a pretty easy question, but well, now we approach the final brain teaser. I guess this is a common riddle, but I decided to include it here. So here we go. Number 7. What walks on 4 legs in the morning, 2 legs in the afternoon, and 3 legs in the evening? Timer starts now! Time's up! The answer is human. In the morning, it will be a baby because of crawling. In the afternoon, it is a child, a teen, an adult which can now walk freely. And in the evening, it is an elder with a cane that represents old age and is needed assistance for walking. All of the things that I have mentioned here are part of what we are as human. Congratulations! And a splendid job on you for completing my 7 brain teasers! I do hope that you find this one interesting and exciting. Thank you for your participation, and I hope you have a good day ahead.